From Forex Traders Daily, this is your daily analysis with Ross Mullins, live from Richmond, Virginia.
Hello everyone, this is today's video analysis for April 20th, 2016. Today we're going to be taking a look at the EURUSD, the euro versus the US dollar. I want to start out here on the larger time frame, the weekly time frame, to give us a wider perspective of this currency pair and see what's been happening in the long run. You go back here all the way into 2014 where we saw a significant downtrend on the left-hand side. This significant downtrend causing the market to fall all the way up from about the 1.4 thousand level all the way down into the 1.0400. So a significant fall off during the 2014 time frame. But since then, beginning of 2015, we have been in what we can only call a range here for this currency pair, where it's been bouncing around inside this red box for a little bit more than a year now, again going back to January of 2015. So we need to acknowledge the range, we need to acknowledge where the resistance level is within the range, because that's where the current market is holding. If we remember this red box, we take it down to the daily time frame, and there's that red box on the chart right here on the daily time frame. If I move it over a little bit, we can see how the market has continued to rally and test and fall off of that 1.1400 level, the green shaded area at the top of the red box. So nothing really new, except for today we're coming right back up to challenge there once again. We go back in time, and statistically, in fact, is that 114 has held as resistance. I have these black X's on the chart 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times where it has found resistance and fallen off of that level. And each time it has challenged it and been unable here on the daily time frame to open and close, a singular candle body to open and close. Take a look at that. If we zoom in a little bit, maybe it's easier for you to see. We see a challenge, but no singular candle body open and close above 114. We see a challenge, not quite as significant there. We bring it over, we see a challenge, no open and close, a challenge, no open and close. So I think that's going to be the key signal or trigger that we're going to look for a real breakout and a continuation higher. Now, we had this one anomalous behavior right here in the middle, but again, interesting enough, a few days later, we got right back underneath the 114 level. We bring it over to current time, and we can see a challenge, no push above it. A couple of weeks ago, we saw the push above and many attempts to break above 114 and unable to do so far. Again, no open and close, singular candle body above that level. So very interesting there. Again, here we come right back up into that level again today. Yesterday, took a real quick sell into the 113.75 level. The market went down a little bit more than 20 pips, took our trade to break even. It came back up, took us out of the trade at break even. So all in all, it was really a successful trade. We saw over 20 pips of profit, but market came back up and took us out at our break even stop loss. So I think today we're looking at status quo. I think we're looking for the same stuff to happen today. Establishment of resistance underneath 114, the potential to go short into the green shaded area. The risk, we know what the risk is. The risk is that it breaks above there. So until it does that, until we get that significant open and close above 114, I think we still continue to focus our efforts in on selling it. We've made tremendous amounts of profit selling the 114 level over the past 3 weeks, and I think we still continue to do what we're doing. If one time it breaks out above the green zone and takes us out of a stop loss, so be it. We eat into a little bit of the profit we've had for the past 3 weeks or so, but I think it's really still a viable scenario here. In fact, I think the worst case scenario right now is buying this currency pair into and underneath 114. Your profit potential is very limited. We've seen that back in the past, going to the beginning of 2015. Your profit potential for buying right now is very limited underneath here and capped. So it doesn't make much sense to go long, even if the market's moving up for the past 4 days. It doesn't make much sense to go long underneath the 114 level. Now, if it breaks above it, that changes everything. Then we look for an opportunity to go long. But at least right now, I'd be very cautious about buying, but more likely looking for opportunities throughout the intraday until something changes to go short here for the euro dollar.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.